In Splunk environments, administrators often need to make changes across multiple scheduled searches at once. Managing these searches individually can be time-consuming and lead to inconsistent configurations. Atlas Search Hub helps teams optimize and govern their Splunk scheduled searches at scale with bulk actions, allowing users to quickly manage, optimize, and standardize multiple scheduled searches at once. Start in the governance view and identify scheduled searches you want to take action on. Use the checkboxes to select one or more searches. As you select them, bulk actions will appear at the bottom of the table. You can choose to ignore searches, which removes them from rule evaluations so they're no longer flagged. To include them again later, simply unignore them. You can also disable searches to stop them from running entirely, or re-enable them at any time. And that's it! With bulk actions, you can take action on multiple scheduled searches at once and optimize your environment more efficiently. Atlas by Presidio. Know your data. Own your outcomes.